boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Chris Brown going soul and is performing Fallin, a great song. Before we move on with this song, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. You probably heard about it before if you've been listening to me lately. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Why? Because we play classics there. 6 strings ago, referring to time. We have classic songs there, and the difference is you're gonna learn them from beginning till the very end. I have a full playthrough, chords shown, and I'm gonna put a link up here on my left side somewhere. Just click on that and subscribe to my channel. Helps me out a lot. Thank you so much. Now let's focus on Fallin, and we have a couple of chords to handle here, 5 of them, and we use a capo on second, absolute best scenario. So let's go into this song from Chris Brown and learn the chords. First, E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. A minor next. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Going to C, very easy transition to this. You're gonna go third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the B minor 7, which is a bar chord. Place the next finger on the second fret, 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add a 4th D and 3rd B. And then we also need to handle the B, which is like this. Keep the bar exactly the same on the second fret, 5 strings, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. Alright, so there we have it. Now let's go into the main part of the song, which is with the chord progression: E minor, A minor, C, B minor 7, and back to E minor. So it both starts and ends on E minor. Now we have a strumming pattern that goes with 6 downs. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is to play with E minor like this. I like to handle the 4th down with the higher strings. So that is where the beat goes. So you play on the bass strings, bass mid area on the strings for all the other downs, but for the 4th down, you really get to go all the way down here to mark out that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so just with plain strumming, you're gonna play E minor 2, A minor 2, C1, B minor 7, 1, and E minor 2, like this. And a new round, and so on. You can also add in some notes in between some chords. So after the first E minor, you're gonna play as a transition to the A minor. And what you're gonna do there, it's about 3 notes: the open E string, 3rd E, and 2nd A. And that will take away the last 3 downs in the E minor. So you're gonna play E minor 1 full round plus the first 3 downs. And instead of playing next just 3 downs on the strumming, you're gonna play these certain notes. And then you go into the A minor and play. And then you have notes added to go into the next chord, C, and that 2 notes is open A and 2nd A. So you're gonna play A minor. So that means you're gonna take away the last 2 downs from the strumming and replace them with these 2 notes, open A and 2nd A. After the C, you have the 2 notes that goes on the 3rd fret E string between C and the B minor 7. So 3rd fret E string and 3rd A. And then you have between the B minor and the last E minor, 3rd fret E string to 2nd fret E string. So with that melody, you're gonna hold like this slowly. So that is the ending. All right, so that is the main part of the song. Then we have 2 timestamps, 37 seconds and 3 minutes and 25 seconds. You're gonna play a little bit differently there. So what you're gonna play there now is A minor, 4 downs, like this, then to E minor, 4 downs, then back to A minor, and then B. At 37 seconds in and 3 minutes and 25 seconds. All the time in between and after and forward and before and everything, you're going to play that main pattern of E minor, A minor, C, B minor 7, E minor. And that's it, my friends. Fallin by Chris Brown. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. And if you did, feel free to support me here on this channel with a thumb up or so. And also, Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. Love your support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.